free audio library.
Hi subscribers and viewers of our channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a Jovision Wi-Fi IP camera. A Jovision IP camera. And this is how the box looks like. It doesn't really contain enough information until you open the device up. So these are the items you will find in this box. We have the power adapter, which is AC adapter. Okay. The output is 12 volts 2A. It's a DC. This is the camera itself. This is the Wi-Fi IP camera itself. Let me take it off so you can watch it well. This is how the front view looks like. It's a night vision camera actually. It has a speaker down here. It has a place for SD card so that it can solely do a recording on itself without an NVR. This is the speaker side of the camera, where if I'm watching you, I can speak out to you. Okay. This side is for the Wi-Fi antennas, which I'll be showing you. Now, this is the Ethernet port, and it's power over Ethernet. The IP camera. This side is for the power. This can also be plugged to power. This is the reset button. In case you did a wrong configuration and you want to go back to default, you can just press here for a while and it will reset. So basically, this is how this camera looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay. There's a little detail here. This is the model name, JVS-N815-WF. Okay. So this is how good and beautiful it looks like. These are the antennas for the Wi-Fi connections. Okay. And these are some other. This is the manual that comes with it, with some other tools. Okay. So let me try fixing one of these. I can simply fix it this way.
In the eyes of righteousness, the hidden will fall. The more they hit and the bombs, the lightning's gonna flash. Look out, the iniquity of the earth is exceedingly great, and the land is affliction. Even in the end, Jaja blessings is everlasting. Be wise, my brothers. Be wise, my sisters. Be wise.
So as you can hear the speaker speaking out.
Set device.
I hope you've heard it, right?
Set device.
Right, so I'm done resetting it. Okay, so at this juncture, the best thing you have to do is one of the ways to connect to the Jovision IP Wi-Fi camera is to locate the Wi-Fi, which is here up here. Okay, then you'll be able to connect to it. Wait, I'm connected to it already. Then you open the application. The application's name is Cloud C, and then you add. Okay, now see, I'm connected to the IP camera now. Okay, this shows I'm connected to it, which is working all right. We can test the intercom and see if it works. It's going to make a lot of noise actually.
Humble thyself unto the Lord. We living under true tradition. This is Japan. We now walk about and chat and envy none. Original song for a true Rastaman. Educated to be unnatural to see. Fruit of our Father we are committed to be. Kings of kings and lords of lords. We living under true tradition. This is Japan Audio Library.
Go ahead and set it up with a Wi-Fi connection you want to connect to. So in this case, let me check the Wi-Fi I want to connect to. What does it say? Okay, so these are some configurations you can actually customize configurations you can add to whatever settings you want to add up to the IP camera. But let's continue and configure this up. I'm not even. What's wrong here?
Free audio library.
Okay, so this is one of the ways you can connect to the
audio library.
This IP camera. I'm going to show you the other way around. Okay, so the other way around to get this Wi-Fi IP camera connected is also you can add it from here. So you add new device and then you click on smart configuration. Okay, so it brings up Wi-Fi like the network is connected to. But before you be able to see it in this network, your phone has to be also connected to the same network. Okay, so in this case, I'm connected to this same network as the Wi-Fi camera is connected to it. It doesn't come with any password, so I'm connecting the Wi-Fi straight up. Okay, let me add it up. Added successfully. Now let me go back and you'll be able to see that I'm connected truly. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, I'm connected. And it's working. So on HD, you can change. Let me start recording. So I'm recording. I'm currently recording and it's able to see whatever I'm doing currently. You can decide to disable the audio, you can enable the audio. So I've enabled the audio and it's working. So it has stopped recording actually. There are certain features here you can enable, like the motion detection, the time. You can set the time. So in this case I'm in Ghana, so let me change it to this. See, because it has detected the human, it's blowing an alarm. We have all human body detection alarm.
Venue.
The storage where you want it to be stored. We have the camera flip. You can, the net setting. Okay.
Free audio library.
Wireless connection. These are the wireless connections. Wide dynamic. Let me enable it. Save. Open AP mode there. Let me just leave it at default. Okay, so it's able to take a wide range of it. So this is the view currently, and I really like the way it is. Let me try stop the alarm, or it's kind of,
Free audio library.
need to search and see if I can. Okay, so fine. I'm sending it here. It's simple. All I have to do is to just move it here and it will start working. side of it where you can, you know, speak to it or do whatever you want to do. Okay. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please watch this space. More videos I'll be uploading. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you next time.